Ton Sai Waterfall. Ton Sai Waterfall is in Khao, Phra, Thaeo National Park, in Phuket's Thalang area, about 25 kilometers northeast of Phuket town, a hidden gem worth finding. This park has Phuket's last untouched rainforest, full of green trees and covering around 22 square kilometers, a real nature escape. It's just a 6 to 7 minute walk from the parking lot. Way simpler than other spots. You pay 200 baht for adults and 100 baht for kids to get in, but it's free after 3 p.m. if you time it right. No buses go to Ton Sai Waterfall, so you'll need to take a car or a grab taxi to get there. Little pools at the bottom are great for a quick swim. Locals wear t-shirts and shorts, so maybe skip the swimsuit to fit in. The waterfall isn't tall, just a wide, calm stream over rocks, and it's at its best from May to October when the rain makes it flow strong. Paths get wet and slippery then, so wear solid shoes, not sandals. From December to May, the water's barely there. Skip it unless you just want to hike the forest. There's an easy 2-kilometer trail around the waterfall, plus a harder 8-kilometer hike to another waterfall called Bang Pay. Great for anyone who loves a challenge. Bang Pay. Waterfall is 20 minutes away by car and uses the same ticket. Visit both if you're up for it. The jungle here is super old, with giant trees and vines that feel like a step back in time.